Hello, I'm Ray of the Ray Code. In this video, I will study the design pattern known as a singleton. I will be using C# in this video. I use other programming languages for the study of this design pattern. I have the same pattern using PHP, C++, and Java in other videos, so you can check those out. But for this video, I focus on C#. I provide a list of reasons why a C# programmer would want to study this particular pattern. I provide the UML that was given by the Gang of Four. I give you sample code that you can play around with yourself. You can find the code that I am using at my GitHub site and also at theraycode.org. I also give a SWOT analysis of this design pattern. I have put timestamps in the notes. Follow me on X, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Leave a comment, subscribe, and please give me a like. The Singleton Design Pattern falls under the Creational Design Pattern category. Its primary purpose is to ensure that class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to that instance. In other words, it restricts the instantiation of a class to just one object. Why should C# programmers study the Singleton Design Pattern? Global point of access. Often systems require a central point of control, like configuration managers or logging services. Singleton pattern provides globally accessible instance, ensuring every part of the codebase accesses the same instance. Ensured uniqueness. For certain classes, having multiple instances can lead to undesirable behaviors or conflicts. Singleton ensures that there is only one instance of the class in the system, preserving consistency and preventing potential issues. Lazy initialization. Singleton in C# often employs lazy initialization, meaning the instance is created only when it is first requested. This can improve application startup time and resource utilization by deferring the creation of the instance until it's actually needed. State persistence. Since there is only one instance, Singleton can maintain state persistently throughout the application lifecycle. This can be useful for scenarios where you need to store state globally, like caching or configuration settings. Thread safety. Ensuring that a class is instantiated just once in a multi-thread environment can be challenging. Properly implemented, the Singleton pattern in C# provides mechanisms to ensure thread safety, ensuring even in concurrent scenarios, only one instance exists. Reduce overhead. When ensuring that only one instance of a class is created, you're saving memory and computational resource. This can lead to more efficient and streamlined applications. Effective control over global variables. Global variables in software can be problematic due to unrestricted access and potential for misuse. Singleton provides a controlled way to have global points without typical pitfalls associated with global variables. Compatibility with polymorphism. The Singleton pattern is compatible with other OOP principles. For example, you can send Singleton class ensuring its benefits of polymorphism are not lost. Well, let's take a look at the UML diagram for the Singleton. Instance is a class operation. A static member function may be responsible for creating its own instance. Collaboration. Clients access a Singleton instance solely through Singleton's instance operation. Hello, I am Ray from the Ray Code. Today, I want to review the design pattern called Singleton. The Singleton pattern ensures a class has only one instance and provides global access to it, commonly used for logging, configuration, and shared resources in C#. We start with creating a class we call Singleton. Singleton will be the name of our class, and there will be only one. The Singleton will have a private static instance, and we put a lock on it for thread safety. We will send a message to the console from this private class, and we have a static instance for this Singleton. Let me adjust the view so you may see the whole method. If the instance is null, i.e. not created yet, we create a new instance. On the other hand, if the instance already exists, we return it. And we have a public message from the Singleton itself. Hello. Now, let's create a plain class and compare it to our Singleton. We have the plain class structure. We add using system at the top. Let's have our plain class send a message to establish that it has been created. And we say hello from plain class. Now let's go over to our main method found in our program class. Get a new instance of Singleton. Get another instance of Singleton. Verify both Singleton instances are the same. Create two separate instances of plain class. Verify they are different objects. Compile and run. We get Singleton instance created. Hello from Singleton. Both Singleton instances are the same object. Creating plain class instances. Plain class instances create. Plain class instances create. Plain class instances are different objects. My name is Ray. Be good. Let's do a SWOT analysis of the Singleton design pattern using C#. S. Strengths. Global access. Ensures a single instance of a class providing global access to it. Lazy initialization. Optimizes resource usage by initializing on first use. Thread safety. Can be designated to ensure thread safe single instantiation. W. Weaknesses. Global state. Encourages global state, which can lead to tight coupling. Testing difficulties. Harder to test due to hidden dependencies on the Singleton. Refactoring challenges. Refactoring Singleton implementation can disrupt dependent code. O. Opportunities. Configuration management. Ideal for managing global configuration in C# applications. Resource sharing. Useful for shared resources like logging or caching. Thread-safe C# features. C# lazy T simplifies thread-safe Singleton implementation. T. Threats. Overuse. Overusing Singletons can lead to anti-patterns like global state misuse. Hidden dependencies. Hidden dependencies make code harder to understand and debug. Alternatives. Dependency injection may serve as a cleaner alternative. That was my video. I plan to create these videos each week. Follow me on Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. Check out theraycode.org and .com. Leave a comment, subscribe, and like. Be good. The Ray Code is awesome.